Hey guys, welcome to our second ever Dashcam Clips of the Month video where we put together our favorite customer clips for the month of December. We heard your feedback from our first video, so this time we're trying a different approach. Here goes part 2. And this time we're jumping straight to a moving story caught on Dashcam by Dawn. An injured deer found on the road to which a heroic bicyclist has come to the rescue. It seems like the guy has some sort of experience doing this before. However, lots of people in the comments would have preferred to have an animal rescue called and let the situation deal by professionals. As you can see, after some struggle, the deer is able to stand up and walk. However, this walk looks more like a wobble and the poor creature still looks like it needs help. On the other side, others said that this was the safest option in order to remove the deer from the road and avoid it being run over or a car accident to be caused. On the next clip, we have another moving story caught on Dashcam by Timothy, a real-life hero. Check it out.
The authority to use the military to construct a wall, and if so, does it constitute?
Oh my god. What just happened? That guy just got hit.
But if he does declare that emergency, I think
Honey, don't.
I'm gonna block him.
Other administration officials, as senior as the vice president, have tried to negotiate with Congress, and the president has publicly undercut offers that those advisors have made. Do you think he's made it harder for himself by not ensuring that he and his advisors are all on the same page?
At that moment, Timothy comes out to help the wounded, and fortunately he's not alone, as the person that hit the man comes back to the scene and helps out, along with other road witnesses. And thankfully this time Timothy did the right choice and called the medical professionals immediately. This next clip has been controversial for our viewers, and it was quite a spectacle for Victor as well. Check it out. So what happened is that the cyclist served left pretty quickly and the Evo stopped as signaling right. Now this ends up in the bicycle crashing on both the Evo and the Prius. But at the end of the day, we believe that the cyclist had a bigger body impact than the rest, and it seems like both parties are in agreement, understood by the cyclist's thumbs up. Our next category is animals caught on Dashcam. On our first clip, we can spot a family of deers crossing the road caught by Vincent. Looks like a donkey. And here's the view from the rear. An elk, just casually strolling in the middle of the highway. And for our last animal encounter, this clip is taken in Florida by Daryl. Let's see if we can spot any typical animals from the region. Our first clip shows something you wouldn't expect, and Ricky was certainly not expecting it either. a driver coming from the wrong side of the road through an entire street and then turns to the other side. I guess that's one way to get ahead of traffic. On our next clip, Ronald caught another reckless driver. You can see that the white car from the left is going to make an infraction. This could have caused a crash if the other driver wasn't vigilant. Here we have a driver that was going to drive on the wrong side of the road, about to head bump our driver. Fortunately, the driver quickly realized the mistake and changed directions. This is a very slow collision as it happens in the middle of traffic, similar to the other driver intended to turn right when in the wrong lane. By doing that, you're taking a completely unexpected action to which other drivers won't react well. And the last one of this category is pretty wild. If we focus on both white cars, we can see the action taking place. The reckless driver cuts across traffic, completely disregarding other drivers, and it actually forces the Tesla to drive on top of the pavement, which could cause deadly results as it is driving on unknown terrain. Up next is snow angels. Very relatable to today's weather. Check it out. This car, caught on dashcam by Hoa, starts skidding uncontrollably. Until it finally finds some ice to make friction and straighten up. Next up, we have a funny clip shared by Travis. So as you can see, Travis' friend is trying to move some planks of wood in his tractor. To his surprise, the planks are too long to fit through the door. But he manages to figure out the situation. Here we have another car skidding, but this time it unfortunately hits Tom. And here's a view from the rear. And for our last snow angel clip, the driver causing the accident cuts across, not identifying Ryan's car. Check it out. And to finish off, we have historic moments caught on dashcam. Now, I don't know if you guys remember the fires from Australia in 2019, but Tagger's family definitely does. The 2019 to 2020 Australian bushfire season was so deadly and massive that it is considered a mega fire. And it's been one of the most devastating fires in Australian history. These deadly fires burned almost 13 million hectares of land, and it was caused by an extreme drought that same year. Well, that's a way to make history on a trip to Macas. And that is the end of the dashcam clips of December. Hope you guys liked it. Remember, you can always submit your dashcam footage for a $20 gift card. See you next month.